Braids are great, you guys, but I just feel like you can't let them go bad like this. Like this, it should never be this bad, okay? So as you can see here, look at this, you guys. Look at all that new growth. Gross, right? But you guys, I think I have a trick for you guys that will just work perfectly. So I'm gonna be using Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls. This one is really good if you have a wash and go. For me particularly, I like this as a gel. Like if I want to gel down to a slick pony, this is perfect. And I also will be using the As I Am Long and Luxe Edge Control. This stuff is like amazing on my hair and I'm so excited to utilize it. So we're gonna work that around the edges. My trusty dandy, getting the hair off, edge brush thing. This is a lifesaver as well. And what I'm gonna do, just take out the braids that are around the edges. So there's about 3 braids I have here and right here. So the rest of this right here, I will clip back. So it's out the way. Okay. And make sure that when you have the clip, it's right here. So you can, I'll show you a little later why. So now I'm gonna take out these few braids here. Let's see. Try. So now we have these few braids that we're gonna work with on getting this twisted up. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Miss Aunt Jackie, so say Miss Jackie, don't want to mess it up. And what you're gonna do, put it right around the braid, and you're gonna twist it right around the new growth of it, or whatever this is. It's not new growth. We're just gonna twist it. Kind of like and then pin it back. Kind of like a locks, like I said before. Really cool. And so the great thing about it, it gives it illusion of this being fresh when it's not. Watch me do all of them that way. Okay guys, so you can see I did the first side and you can see this thing is laid, honey, okay? And so it just kind of gives the illusion that these are fresh braids when they're definitely not. Okay guys, so I'm completely done twisting it all up with Aunt Jackie's wonderful curly ice. Hold on, let me get her ice curls, you guys. This stuff is amazing. So you can see it's now looking like somewhat brand new, and I love it. And what I like about it, if you see some white residue, don't worry, it will definitely dry clear, and that's what I love about Aunt Jackie's product. So this is perfect. So we're gonna now do the Luxe and Long As I Am Edge Control, which I absolutely love. And we're gonna go ahead and put my stuff put this along the edges. So you're gonna take just a little bit. It goes a very long way, guys. You can take a little bit of this one if you want. Since it's so slicked down, I really don't need to comb down too much because my scarf is going to be perfect with it. Okay, so that's looking like it. Look at that, you guys. When you slick down like a brand new head on me. So what I like to do next, I like to spray a little bit of this, which is my favorite oil, Sheen. This stuff is absolutely amazing and it smells so great. And I'm just gonna spray to get a little shine, you guys. Just make sure it's a little bit shiny. Then I'm gonna take the clips out. Make sure to still hold it because you still wanna keep that twist action going on until it dries. And what I'm actually gonna do is twist it all into one like I'm doing here. And then I'm gonna put a clip right back here. Okay, so we can hold it so we put our scarf on. So again, let's do it on this side. Yeah. I gotta show my mom this because this is amazing. Tonight, guys, I think I'm gonna wear it just like this tonight. What y'all think? Y'all think it look all right? I have this scarf at least 12 years, okay? This is my favorite scarf. Every black girl I know has a favorite scarf, somewhere, somehow. And I'm just gonna lay the edges down, like so. This wonderful mousse that I really like, and I'm putting it throughout my hair and twist it up, call it a day. So I'm putting like 4 sections, or 4 long sections. So this is gonna be 1. Make sure to rake through it. Got little jewels in it, looking how cute. Make sure you know. I'm gonna take like a little bit. That should be enough. About this much. And focus on the ends because that's where the hair, if you have braids like mine, it's gonna get a little bit tangled up. So you want to make sure that those curls are at least popping until next week you take it out. Like I am, a little bit more. Okay, twist it like this. Braids are great, you guys, but I just feel like you can't let them go bad like this. Like this, it should never be this bad, okay? At all. Done with 4 of these wonderful braids. I just twisted them up and I'm going to prepare to get into my shower, you guys. So I'm gonna go get in the shower. I'm gonna wrap these long braids up with my clips and yeah, and then we'll get on to the makeup and all those great things. So I'll see you in a bit.